Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Fahmi bin Mohd Adnan, and today I'll be doing my industrial training reflection video during my time at Bank Negara Malaysia. My time at Bank Negara Malaysia was one of the most toughest, equally fruitful and the most memorable journey that I've ever had in my entire life. I would say that the biggest achievement that I ever had there was actually to learn and to solve real life network issue. The reason why I say this was meaningful to me was because I was able to solve more than 20 different user LAN issue, which is local area network issue. User doesn't get internet, they raise a ticket, I attend to it and I solve the issue, and then they are able to resume business as usual. And you can see the smile and the light and joy in their face whenever they got the LAN connection. It was one of the most exciting part of the job, I would say. Apart from it, I also was involved in several projects such as Grill Entry Management System, which is securing the bank's vault. I was also involved in the tech refresh project. I was also involved in the NRA and also the bulk auditing. So those were the things that I did and the achievement that I had throughout my time at Bank Negara Malaysia. Apart from the challenges, I would say the biggest challenges of working there was actually the long working hours and also the tough environment having to work there, because it's Bank Negara Malaysia. So every configuration, every change that you have to has to be done with an extreme due diligence, because one wrong configuration can actually lead to a multiple network downs, and that is not something that we do. We put a very high standard on our network infrastructure. And also the long working hours, I would say, is quite self-evident. As a network engineer job, you are required sometimes to work beyond the normal working hours and also sometimes in the weekends, because this is what it takes to support the network infrastructure of the central bank in Malaysia. To sum it up, I would say my time at Bank Negara Malaysia was definitely not a wasteful one. It was tough, definitely, but it's also taught me quite a lot of things. It taught me about myself, about my technical skills, and I'm definitely a better person when I walk out of Bank Negara than I did when I walk in, and that is the whole purpose of an industrial training. I want to thank you everyone for part of the journey, and I hope to see you again if our paths ever cross again. And with that, I want to say thank you, and I'll see you again. Bye.